The Draw tab in Excel offers various inking features. You can use these to quickly add markers to your sheets, highlight important information, and more. If you have a touch-enabled device, you can work with your fingers or a digital pen. In the absence of a touchscreen, a mouse works fine too. If you cannot see the Draw tab in the ribbon, click the File tab and select Options. In the Excel Options window, click Customize Ribbon. In the large box on the right, the visible tabs are indicated by tick marks. Click the empty box in front of Draw and then click OK. The Draw tab appears in the ribbon now. Let's see what it has to offer. We will be using a mouse. The first icon in the Tools group is Draw. Click it and drag to draw something on your worksheet. Now, click Eraser and drag to erase a part of what you have drawn. Click Lasso Select and drag to select a part of your creation. Then, click a colored pen to apply that color. To add another colored pen, click Add Pen and select the type. Let's select Pencil. Now, select a thickness and a color. It gets added to the palette and you can start using it. To remove a pen from the palette, click on it, select the down arrow next to it and select Delete. The Convert group contains some very smart options. Click Ink to Shape and drag to draw any rough shape. It gets instantly converted to a proper colored shape. When your drawings are selected, the contextual tabs appear and you can use them as desired. Next, activate the Draw tab again and select Ink to Math. This displays the Math Input Control window. Here, you can use your mouse to type any math expression. It gets converted into a proper one. Click Insert to insert it in your worksheet. Now that you are familiar with the options on the Draw tab, you can use them for various purposes such as marking out and highlighting areas in your worksheets. To hide the display of all the ink on your worksheet, activate the Review tab and in the Ink group, click Hide Ink.